Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply go ahead and teach you how you can recover your Tumblr account. So it is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to simply go ahead and open your Tumblr application, and once you have done that, tap on the login button right over here. Once you have done that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and enter your email right over here and tap on continue. Once you have done that, in order for you to go ahead and recover your account, what you want to do is simply tap on send magic link, because it basically sends you a direct login link. So once you go ahead and log in from your Gmail account, and by not entering your password, because you are trying to recover your account because you forgot your password, you have to go ahead and tap on send magic link. And now simply go ahead and open the email app, as you can see. And finally, there is verify your email address tab right over here. You can simply go ahead and verify from there, and then tap on the socials, and then there's another link which says click this link to finish logging in, and tap on let's go. And now you'll be logged in into your Tumblr. And now, in order for you to go ahead and recover your account because you forgot your password, you want to go to the settings of your Tumblr app, and then simply go ahead into account settings and go to password and change your password immediately. So if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below what video you want me to make next. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.